Question 10. A spherical mint of radius 5 mm is placed in the mouth and sucked. 4 minutes later, the radius of the mint is 3 mm. In a simple model, the rate of decrease of the radius of the mint is inversely proportional to the square of the radius. Using this model and all the information given, find an equation linking the radius of the mint and the time. You should define the variables that you use. So what we're going to say is we're going to say that t is time in seconds. We're going to go r is the radius of the mint in millimeters. So what we can say is that dr dt, the change of the radius over time, we know is negatively proportional, or sorry, not negatively, inversely proportional to the square of the radius. So this is going to be minus k over r squared. So what we can do is we can now rearrange. So we can say that r squared dr is equal to minus k dt. And in order to solve this, we can integrate both sides. So we're going to have r cubed over 3 is equal to minus kt plus c. Now what we know is that when t is 0, r is 5. And we know that we're going to change t from seconds to minutes. I misread that. And when t is 4, r is 3. So to find c, if we put t to be 0 and r to be 5, we can say that c is going to be 125 over 3. So r cubed over 3 is equal to minus kt at 125 over 3. And now if we put t to be 4 and r to be 3, then what we can do is we can say that 27 over 3 is equal to minus 4k at 125 over 3. And so what that's going to give us is that k is equal to 49 over 6. And so therefore our equation is going to be that r cubed over 3 is equal to minus 49t over 6 add 125 over 3. Part B, hence find the total time taken for the mint to completely dissolve. Give your answer in minutes and seconds to the nearest second. So for part B, if we want to find the time taken for the mint to completely dissolve, that is going to be when the radius is equal to 0. So we've got 0 over 3, and 0 is cubed, is equal to minus 49t over 6, add 125 over 3. So rearranging this, we get t is equal to 6 lots of 125 over 49 lots of 3. And so this is going to be t is equal to 5.1 minutes. Okay. And so therefore this is going to be 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Part C, suggest a limitation of the model. Well, it doesn't consider how the mint is sucked. However ludicrous that may sound as an answer, genuinely, it doesn't consider how the mint is sucked. You could also say that it doesn't say if it's bitten or chewed, or it's presumed that it's sucked uniformly. There are many different very strange answers that you can give to that.